Hi, in this video, you will learn how to download, install, and activate the new Norton on your Windows PC or laptop. To begin with, open a browser and go to my.norton.com. Click Sign In. Sign in with your Norton account email address and password. Hover over My Account in the header and choose My Subscriptions. In the My Subscriptions tab, click Download next to the subscription that you wish to download and install. In the Get Started page, click Agree and Download. Once the download completes, click and open the installer. Click Install Norton 360. After installing the basic requirements, the product activation begins. Now the activation is complete. Click Next. You are presented with an onboarding wizard, allowing you to set up the key features associated with your subscription. We highly recommend you follow the on-screen instructions and set up those features. You are presented with an offer screen, where you can click Learn More to learn more about it, or click Remind Me Later to take it up later. That's it! Your new Norton is downloaded, installed, and activated. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.norton.com.